sun's so bright, I don't know if you can see that. Alright.
$75 by $80.
This is a fairly new roof. I don't know how many years old, but the decking's new, and it feels like there's some insulation board. And then when they nailed down or screwed down the insulation board, then they put this rubber. It looks like a torch down rubber. Just looks like it wasn't installed properly. When it's installed properly, in fact, here you go. And I can't take too close of a look, but what I want to point out is each seam, you see that little bit of rubber coming out at each seam. And when you install a rubber roof, each seam, you need to see here, they paint it over, but you can see the glob of rubber where they did it properly. And what you don't want to see is patchwork, especially on as many seams as there are here, because that means the seams are going to loose, and then these patches are going to fail in no time at all. I don't know, less than a year probably. Over the winter it'll just freeze up, crack up. It's a shame. If it's a good material if installed properly, but when you see patchwork at each seam, that's a red alert. It's not going to hold. It's not going to hold.
Hey, how many stacks are on that side? How many vent stacks?
One and two drains.
3?
1 and 2 drains.
Oh, okay.
I think that's the result of one of the leaks that I saw when I was in the actual building. But we'll scrape off the loose and put rubber, torch it down, install it properly. But I mean, I wouldn't even, by the time you patch where you think it's leaking, by the time you've done all these patches and then cross your fingers that it works, I strongly suggest not doing a patch. It's been patched too much, and all these patches are going to fail. Alright, I think that's enough video. I think I got everything.